Hello students, today we are going to discuss about a poem, Geography Lesson, which was written by Zulfikar Ghosh. It's a very beautiful poem. We are going to get a central message from this poem. That is, the poet says in this poem, when he sees the earth from the sky, he can understand the geographical structure on earth. But he can't understand why people hate each other and why they kill each other. This is the central theme. We can say that because the poet who do not understand that why people they hate each other, why they kill each other. But when the poet who saw the earth from space, from the sky, at that time he observed that the whole earth is one. Okay, let us understand what is given there. We will discuss. Can you imagine what your city would look like if you saw it from 10,000 feet above the ground? Can you imagine this? If you saw your city from 10,000 feet above the ground, neatly planned and perfect in proportion like geometric design, it would strike you as something very different from what it actually it is while you are in the thick of it. It means that it may look neatly planned and perfect in proportion. Whatever the geometric design it has, it look in that way. You can see actually from the sky. Here is a poet's description of just such a view of the city, some questions that come on his mind. And the poet has described here how his city look from the 10,000 feet above the ground. And some questions also came in his mind. So what questions came in his mind, we will understand through this poem. Now let us start. The first stanza is there. There are 3 stanzas in this poem. We will understand stanza wise. Stanza number 1. When the jet sprang in the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had, seeing its scale 6 inches to the mile. When the jet who flight or sprang into the sky, when it went into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. It was clear. You can clear that. You could clear that how your city developed and why it developed in that way. Whatever the city is there, why it developed in that way, you can understand easily. Seeing its scale 6 inch to a mile, it means that a mile is equal to the 6 inch on the scale from the sky. There seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. From the sky, we cannot avoid. Inevitability means cannot be avoided. We cannot avoid that whatever we see from the sky about what on ground had looked haphazard. Haphazard means without plan and order. So whatever the unplanned things in there, you can see easily from the sky. And you cannot avoid that hazardous thing or unplanned things or that unplanned design also you cannot avoid there. But you can easily look on the ground that whatever the unplanned or disordered or unordered things from the sky, when the jet sprang into the sky, when that jet which which flies in the sky, इसका मतलब है कि आप अच्छी तरह से देख सकते हैं कि जो अनप्लान थिंग्स है आपके सिटी में, तो आप अच्छी तरह से उसे ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. कहाँ से? तो स्काई से. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द सेकंड स्टांजा. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography that land and water attracted man was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet reached, poet says that when the jet which reached 10,000 feet from the ground, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers run. And you can clearly observe that, you can clearly see why the country had cities. So whatever the cities are there, why they we can say that why the cities are near the river, you can easily find there. Why the valley were populated as well as, so whatever the valleys are there, why they are so populated, you can easily find from the sky or from that jet. The logic of geography, that land and water attracted man, and that is the logic that you can easily find from that from that sky, that water and land which attracted the man, and because of that the valleys which are so populated, because the rivers which are running near the cities. And cities also we can say that cities also made near the rivers. Why clear the land and water attracted man was clearly delineated. Delineated means shown. You can easily show that the land and water which attract the man when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, you can easily find that the water and land which attract the man. Let us understand last stanza. What is given there? See, when the jet rose 6 mile high, when जब jet जो है वो 6 mile ऊपर गया, it was clear the earth was round, and from there you can see that earth was round. It means that poet observed the earth was round, and that it had more sea than land. And he also found that on the earth there is much water, or we can say that there is much seas than land. It means that land is small as compared to sea. But it was difficult to understand that men on the earth found cause to hate each other. But from that height, it was very difficult to find that why men on the earth was hating each other. To build wall across cities and kill. Why the men who made the we can say that walls across the city? Because on the earth, from that height, the poet who found that earth is round, it means that it is a one only. But he also observed that why the man who made various walls across the city, and why the man who kill each other, why the man who hate each other, it is very difficult to find from there. From the height it was not clear, and from that height it is not clear, it was not clear to find all that things. Why the man who hate each other, why the man who hate each other, why he made the walls across the cities, and why he killed each other. It is very difficult to find from that height. This is the chapter. This is the beautiful poem Zulfikar Ghosh who had written it. This is the glossary. In inevitability means that cannot be avoided. Haphazard mean without plan or order. Delineated means show. Now let us understand working with the poem. Let us understand working with the poem of geography lesson. Question number 1. Find 3 or 4 phrases in the stanzas 1 and 2 which are likely to occur in the geography lesson. Find 3 or 4 phrases in the stanzas that which are likely to occur in geography lesson. So what are that? See, here is answer. The city had. It means that lines which occur about the geography. It belongs to the geography lesson. So what are that lines? See, there are 4 lines I found. The city had developed the way what it had. City development. We can see this kind of things in geography lesson also, especially city. Number 2, it scaled 6 inches to the mile. Inch, scale, miles. It belongs to the geography lesson also. It scaled 6 inches to the mile. Number 3, cities where the river ran. This valley were populated. These are the lines we can say which belongs to the. These are the some phrases which belongs to the which occurs in the geography lesson. Question number 2. Seen from the window, of an aeroplane, the cities appear. How it appear? Cities as developed as necessary. The third one is the correct answer. Which of the following statements are examples of the logic of geography? What are the examples of the which of the following statement are example of logic of geography? Number one, sentence number one, if it belongs to the geography or not, we are going to understand. Is it the logic of geography or not? We will understand. Five sentences are given there. See, number one, there are cities where there are rivers. There are cities where there are rivers. Definitely it belongs to the logic of river. Number two, cities appears are as they are not for 6 miles above the ground. It is not the logic of geography. Number three, it is easy to understand why valleys are populated. It also the logic of geography. It belongs to geography. It means that we are going to study about valleys and why it is populated in the geography. Number four, it is difficult to understand why humans hate and kill each other. Definitely we are not going to study. It is not the logic of geography. Why the humans hate and kill each other. It is not the logic of geography. Number fifth, the earth is round and it has more sea than land. Definitely it is the logic of geography. Okay, 1, 3 and 5, these are the correct statements who belongs to the logic of geography. Question number 4, mention two things that are, number 1, clear from the height. Two things that are clear from the height. It means that the poet who had seen everything clearly from the height. Number 1 answer, why the city had developed that it had. Why the city developed what it had. सिटी ऐसे क्यों डेवलप हुई है जैसे वो है. नंबर 2, why the country had cities where rivers ran. Why the country had cities where the rivers ran. जो रिवर्स के पास से सिटी क्यों बनी हुई है कंट्री में, वो भी एक लॉजिक है. और द पोएट हु सॉ एवरीथिंग दिस थिंग्स क्लियरली फ्रॉम द sky. Not clear from the height. What are the things that was not clear from the height? Number 1, why do men hate each other? Number 2, why do men on earth build wall across cities but find human beings cause to kill? And also it's very difficult to find the causes to kill each others. This is also not visible from the height. In this way we have finished this poem. I hope that you have understood this poem. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much. Take care.